Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the alert volume on the Apple Watch Ultra 2. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. If your watch's alert volume is too loud or too quiet, you can change the volume in the settings. Press the digital crown to open the app menu. Then tap the settings cog to open settings. Scroll down settings and tap sounds and haptics. You can change the alert volume using the volume slider at the top of the sound settings. Your watch will play a sound as you change the volume to show you the volume level. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Apple Watch Ultra tips and tricks.